So as I said, for internals, we would keep this portion also, that is under directing and controlling, the three topics, meaning and nature of directing. So we have covered it in the last class, leadership styles, and also we'll keep these motivational theories under motivation Yes, now hopefully all are able to hear the sound. Yeah, next, I just now discussed about all these needs. Try to understand. It is one of the important question. Explain the Maslow's theories of motivation, taking into the consideration. In fact, this is a very simple diagram. So you could refer the diagram that I have given you in the notes. So what does the psychological needs means and how it is being related to the security needs? I just gave you the example. Maybe there was a voice problem from my side. So it is a basic need, psychological, like air, water, right? Anything that is being basically needed for a person for his survival as a human being. So security needs, definitely I said, as a person he needs something related, security related is health and the insurance, and maybe if he is having a job, a suitable salary and the allowances, right? Social needs, always brief about the organizing the social events and the recognition in the society, and self-acceleration always deals with the personal growth and the fulfillment at the end. So I said, what does this esteem needs talks about? So esteem needs basically, it talks about the achievements and his recognition in the society, that is his reputation, the status and the responsibility. So same thing has been reviewed here. What is the psychological needs? So food, water, then it is about the security or the safety needs. Then we have esteem needs. As I said, esteem needs talk about the reputation, recognition, right? And finally, when he has achieved, when a person has achieved all this at the top, always this rating has been studied from the downsides, from psychological to security, security to the social, social to the esteem. When a person feels that he has achieved all these needs, when he has satisfied his needs, so it is for the term to self-actualization. So what is self-actualization? In fact, it is a desire to become what one is capable of, his capability, to show off his capability. So this was the theory behind Maslow's theories of motivation. So one more theory was Husberg's two factors theory. Okay, what does the Husberg's say about the two factor theory? In fact, the drawback regarding Maslow's theory was to provide some insights about the people. So Husberg's provided his concept of motivation based on the research started by his Frederick Husberg. So in his study, he associated, that is he interviewed around 200 engineers. Okay, so this is all about the story. So he interviewed 200 engineers and the accountants. So they asked them to think when they felt especially good and the times when they felt especially bad about their jobs. But the engineers and the accountants were then asked to describe the factors that led to these particular feelings. Based on these research, he has written this Husberg's theory of motivation. So according to the Husberg's, the absence of certain job factors tend to take workers dissatisfied. Okay, So he has included several maintenance factors that are really needed for a person to be happy. So you could see the brief up about the Husberg's two factors theory. So he has classified into a hygiene factors and the motivational factors. So you could see the first group of factors, it will not motivate in the organization. So what are the hygiene factors? So that he has classified based on the interviewing 200 engineers based on their way of thought. So what are the motivators and what are the hygiene factors? So hygiene factors, you could see salary is one of the hygiene factor. Job security, everyone expects a good salary in his job and his security in the job, good working condition, and always he has a reputation about his company policy and administration, quite a flexibility and a quality of supervision. So from the supervisor, he expect a good quality of supervision and good, definitely good friends, that is interpersonal relationship and a status, right? These are all the hygiene factors, right, that a person expects with respect to the Husberg's two factors theory. Hence the name itself, we say Husberg's two factors theory. So these two factors, how did we analyzed? It is based on the research work that is being went with the 200 engineers working in a firm, right? An interview was being done. So as I explained, these engineers were asked to think many times when they felt especially good and when they felt bad about their jobs, and if at all, when they felt bad, on what factors, and when they feel good, on what factors. Based on this, so these two factors have been divided. So when you say the motivational factors, what are the motivators? So definitely the achievements in the job made motivator factors. So given the responsibility, even the responsibility is one of the motivational factor. So growth in the job, then that technology advancement, I would say advancement, then his reputation or the recognition. This is called one of the esteem needs. So what I mean is Husberg's two factors theory just elaborated the Maslow's theories of motivation. Maslow, what he did, he simply divided the needs into 5 stages, right? So as per the Maslow's theory, until and unless you don't achieve the psychological needs, you cannot move to the security needs. Once you achieve the security needs, that is safety and security, then you can move to the, you have a recognition in the society, that is the social needs. So once you achieve the social needs, then only you can move up to the esteem needs, that is a recognition, reputation, recognition. So once you have all these needs, finally you can move to the self-actualization needs. But in this case, it is only the difference. So the thing is that he has divided Husberg's into a two-factor theory, wherein he stated two factors matters a lot, right? If any one of the factor is not satisfied with respect to the person, we say that he's not satisfied, right? So these factors matters a lot, hygiene factors, and these are all the motivational factors. He just classified it, right? Basically what he need with respect to the hygiene factor. So salary, job security, has working conditions, good relationship with the peers and the subordinates, quality of supervision and the status. So